Hello, my dear friend. You are here now. There is nothing you need to hurry for, nothing you need to prove, nothing you need to fix tonight. Just relax your body, relax your shoulders, relax your breathing. Let the day slowly fade away. You are listening to English, and that is enough. Tonight, we are spending quiet time together, talking about simple English habits for confident speaking. Not strong habits, not strict habits, just soft habits. Habits that do not disturb your peace. Habits that grow quietly while you rest. Confidence does not come from pushing yourself too hard. Confidence comes when your mind feels safe. When your mind feels safe, words come naturally. Many people want to speak English confidently, but inside, they feel nervous. Their heart beats faster. Their mind becomes empty. They know words, but the words hide. This happens because the mind feels pressure. So tonight, we remove pressure. English does not need pressure. English needs patience. Think about water flowing in a river. It does not rush. It does not stop. It just flows. Your English can flow like that too. Confidence is not about speaking a lot. Confidence is about feeling comfortable when you speak a little. Even one sentence, spoken calmly, is confidence. One gentle habit is letting English be part of your quiet moments. Not your busy moments, not your stressful moments, your quiet moments. When you are alone, when no one is watching, when no one is listening, English feels safe. You can whisper English to yourself. You can think English silently. You can let English exist without fear. In the morning, when your eyes open slowly, you can welcome the day in English. No energy needed, just soft words. You can say, "Good morning." You can say, "I am awake." You can say, "It is a calm day." Even if your pronunciation is not perfect, it does not matter. Your brain understands your intention. During the day, small thoughts come into your mind. You can gently change them into English. If you feel tired, think, "I feel tired." If you feel hungry, think, "I am hungry." If you feel relaxed, think, "I feel calm." These thoughts are small, but they are powerful. They train your brain to live with English naturally. Another beautiful habit is listening without effort. Listening like you listen to rain, like you listen to wind, like you listen to soft music. You do not analyze rain. You do not question wind. You just feel it. When you listen to English like this, your brain learns patterns quietly. Even when you do not understand everything, learning happens. Your brain is always listening. At night, listening becomes even more powerful. Your body is tired. Your mind is open. There is no resistance. Slow English voices enter your mind gently. Words become familiar. Sounds become friendly. Confidence grows silently during these moments. Another soft habit is allowing mistakes to exist, not fighting them, not hiding them. Mistakes are not something to be ashamed of. They are signs of movement. If you never make mistakes, it means you never try. Confident speakers are not afraid of mistakes. They accept them. They move forward. When you speak slowly, mistakes feel smaller. When you rush, mistakes feel heavy. So speak slowly. Slow speaking gives your mind time. Slow speaking gives your words space. Slow speaking gives your heart peace. You can practice this when you are alone. No audience, no judgment. Say one sentence, pause, breathe, say another sentence. Your voice deserves calmness. Your accent is not broken. It is beautiful because it is yours. Another peaceful habit is repetition. Repeating easy English again and again. Many learners think repetition is boring, but repetition is comfort. Think about a lullaby. The same song every night. It never feels boring. It feels safe. English sentences can become like lullabies. I am learning English. I am getting better. I feel relaxed. Say them every day. Say them softly. Say them slowly. These sentences will stay with you. Thinking in English is another quiet habit. Not full conversations, just small pieces. Your mind already thinks all day. You are just changing the language gently. This habit slowly removes fear. When English lives in your thoughts, it does not feel foreign anymore. Reading softly also helps confidence. Not fast reading, not difficult reading. Just simple reading. Read like you are talking to yourself before sleep. Slow pace, warm tone. Stories are especially powerful. Stories feel human. Stories feel safe. Your brain remembers stories easily. Another gentle habit is accepting pauses. You do not need quick answers. You do not need perfect timing. Pausing is strength. Pausing shows control. When you pause, your brain relaxes. When your brain relaxes, words come naturally. Confident people are not afraid of silence. They are comfortable inside it. Talking to yourself is one of the safest habits. No fear, no pressure. You can describe your actions. I am walking. I am sitting. I am resting. This builds fluency naturally. At night, before sleeping, English can become your reflection language. You can gently remember your day. Today was long. I tried my best. I feel tired now. These sentences connect English with your emotions. Emotion makes language real. Some days you will feel improvement. Some days you will feel stuck. Both are normal. Learning is not a straight line. It moves slowly. Sometimes it rests. Rest is part of learning. Even when you feel lazy, English can stay with you quietly. One word, one sentence. That is enough. Do not compare yourself with others. Everyone's mind works differently. Your speed is perfect for you. English is not something you conquer. It is something you befriend. Friendship grows slowly, with patience, with kindness. Confidence does not shout. Confidence whispers. Right now, as you listen, learning is happening. Even if you feel sleepy, even if your eyes are closed, your brain is absorbing sounds. Your mind is relaxing. This is a beautiful state for learning. So let go of expectations. Let go of pressure. You are doing well. You are improving. You are enough. Take a slow breath. Feel calm. English is with you. Confidence is growing quietly. Everything is okay. You are safe. You are learning. One gentle habit at a time.